But for most people, Santa Lucia is a place for good food, good time, good friends. When people come to eat here, they want to hear Neapolitan songs. And nothing is too corny or sentimental. Singers of the classic song appear in all the restaurants. They are in Neapolitan tradition, proud men who have become the high priest of this music. Music is not the only reason to come to Santa Lucia. People come to drink the white wine from Vesuvio Lacrima Christi or the red wine from Capri. They come to eat the great specialità napoletana spaghetti alle vongole, pasta made with a fantastic little clam that do not like traveling, not even to Rome. You must eat them right here in Naples. Another favorite dish is the fried calamari, or spaghetti alla puttanesca, named in honor of the ladies who make their living in the street. The idea is this sauce is simple, just black olive, tomato, garlic and caper, so it can be made quickly by busy career women.